Hello everyone, welcome back to Cabbage Financial Solutions. My name is Mashkur Ali. In this detailed video, we will explain the complete step-by-step process to open an Apple savings account and discuss who is eligible for it. As you know, the world is becoming more digital every day, and Apple is a name everyone recognizes worldwide. In the USA, Apple phones are some of the most popular devices. Recently, Apple has expanded its business into the banking sector, and now they offer a savings account too. But many people wonder, who is eligible and how can you open an Apple savings account? Don't worry, we'll break it down step by step in today's video. Let's get started. To explain this process visually, we will refer to a website called Cabbage Loan Guide. On this website, you can find hundreds of articles related to banking on the right-hand side. One such article is titled How to Open Apple Savings Account Complete Guide. This article explains the step-by-step process to open an Apple savings account, complete with screenshots for better understanding. It also explains who is eligible. So, let's first look at the eligibility criteria before going on to the step-by-step process. According to the article, to be eligible to open an Apple savings account, you must meet the following criteria. You must have an active Apple Card account. You must be a US resident. You must be 18 years or older. An Apple Card must be added to your iPhone or iOS device. You need to have either a social security number or an individual taxpayer ID number. You must have an iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch. The information provided here is verified as it is sourced from Apple's official website. Next, the article also discusses the documents required to open the account. You can find all the details in the article. The link to this article is provided in the description below. Now let's move on to the step-by-step process for opening an Apple savings account. The article has a subheading titled How to Open Apple Savings Account. It mentions opening an Apple savings account is a straightforward process. You must have an Apple or iOS device to proceed. First, you need to open the Apple Card in the Apple Wallet app. From there, you can set up your savings account. To open a savings account, you need to click on Agree to the terms and conditions. Only after fulfilling them can you proceed with the account opening process. Below is the step-by-step guide. Open the Apple Card on your mobile device. Click on the three dots, which is visible on the top right corner, as shown in the image. From the four options displayed, select Daily Cash. On the Daily Cash interface, you will see the option Savings with a Setup button next to it. Click Setup. After clicking Setup, follow these three sub-steps. Click Continue. Enter your social security number. Agree to the terms and conditions by clicking Agree. Next, you will see a page with Yes or No options. Select the appropriate option and click Confirm and Open Account. Your account will now open, and within a few seconds, you will see the message Account Created. After this, your savings account will be fully operational and you will see the final interface on your screen. By following these simple steps, you can easily open an Apple savings account. However, make sure to check your eligibility and document requirements beforehand. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Cabbage Financial Solutions for more tips related to lending and banking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.